Hello guys, good morning. So ito magkakape lang ako. Basically it's already almost 8 a.m. And parang later na kami lalabas since wala na din naman kaming masyadong parang plan. Pero may pupuntahan pa rin kaming village, pero parang malapit lang naman dito. So kaya late na kami lalabas. And then ito magkakape ako kasi natikman ko to kagabi. It's called shortbread. So parang isa sa mga sikat na food or delicacy dito sa Scotland. Eh natikman ko yung kagabi ay ang sarap. So na-realize ko na sarap kape. The shortbread basically is parang biscuit lang din naman. Parang siyang cookies pero it tastes milky. So magata siya. And let's have some coffee. Parang cookies na biscuit kasi medyo yung malambot na biscuit. Pero ang sarap. Wala lang silang creamer.
Ano, may kape?
Pero walang creamer. Okay, hello.
Gusto mo?
Ano yun?
Ano, gago. Tatakot siya sa'yo.
Ito ang mga ito. Alam niyo ba kagabi guys, naipit ko yung daliri ng anak ng friend ko. Hindi ko naman sinasadya. Doon sa may CR. Kaya ngayon takot na siya sa akin. Nalawa, ayaw na niya akong makita. Sorry naman, Athena. Ang sarap. Ang sarap nito. Pampapasalubong ko ito. Mag-uwi ako for myself. Hey guys. So I'm all ready now. So ito naman ang aking outfit. So Adidas na Fear of God collab na hoodie. And then, syempre, underneath it, yung aking heat tech. Tapos, beanie again. Courtesy of Lazada. So, yan ang jeans. And, yellow din yung socks ko. Para match ng aking beanie. So, it's like 9:30 a.m. na. And we are about to leave. So, let's go, guys. Okay ba yung aking outfit? Let's go. By the way guys, this is my view outside my window. So ang ganda dito nung and also ang ganda ng weather. Sunny. Although syempre malamig pa rin. It's like 5 degrees. But at least it's sunny. Thank you Lord. Yun o, sarap tumira sa ganito oh. Very tahimik. Parang masarap mag-jogging sa ganyan. Super quiet neighborhood. And so ito yung Airbnb namin. Diyan sa may ground floor. But yeah, so nice here. Buti na lang wala ng ulan. Oof. Sun. So nasa ano kami guys? A forest. Sure. So we are in Falkland or Falkland. Anong basta speaking? Basta F-A-L-K land. And wait lang. are now at the Falkland Village. Ganda dito. Very old style pa rin. The buildings. Ay, ito na pala yung palace. This is the Falkland Palace. Ayun. Palace and Gardens. And based on my research, ano daw, si Mary Queen of Scots, if you're familiar with her, used to live here. May movie yun na si Saoirse Ronan yung gumanap na Queen Mary. Tsaka sino na nga yun? Yung isa pang artista, yung gumanap na Barbie. May movie sila together na about sa queens. Pero yung isa is sa Queen of England, parang gano'n. Tapos si Saoirse yung sa Scotland. Yun, gundo. Very old style. Ay, parang ganito din yung village sa sa Frozen. Sa Arendelle. Old town, very old town.
For them, when they wanted to attack it, they quite.
Yeah, because it's really quiet here.
They prefer to keep it simple. One shop, one post office, one GP.
But how about like, for example, schools? Well, they don't need it.
Yeah, one school, one primary, one senior school, primary school, senior school.
Because to be honest, I would love to like live
Yeah, that's why.
to a place like this.
And they want a smaller place, like
Yeah.
like cottages.
And it's still like like old structure or old
Yeah.
design.
Yeah. So they still keep their kind of, it's almost like a kind of Victorian time
Yeah.
where they still keep their old design. Which could be from the 1880s.
Yeah. Like 18th century.
Like, yeah. So they still keep their old design. They prefer it like that as well. For me, I could live here, to be fair. It was more of a, might not get all the shops that we want.
Ooh, it's so good. Hi guys. So we are in Dundee. Is this a city, another city here?
Yeah, this is another city.
Dundee.
Dundee is up more north of Scotland. It's one of the 4 biggest cities in Scotland.
Oh, really?
So you have Edinburgh. Thank you. You have Edinburgh, Glasgow,
And
Aberdeen, and Dundee.
Dundee.
Yeah.
Have you been here before, or it's also here?
No, this is the first time I'm here.
Oh.
So this is another metropolitan city as well. So yeah, fourth biggest city.
But there's not a lot of people that I'm seeing. Or is it because it's a Tuesday?
Yeah, it's
Like a
it's
working
probably
day?
smaller. It's smaller. It's a smaller city compared to the other three. So compared to especially Glasgow and Edinburgh, it's not as busy as that. But
Yeah.
if those cities weren't around, this will probably be the biggest one. So yeah. So yes.
Oh, it's so cold naman. My goodness. And Dundee is like the ano.
Okay, well, hold on for a second.
Sorry. Grabe, ang daming shoes. Where's the on brand? Ito. Mga running. Running. Wala namang on brand. Ito. Tsaka naman. Lunch, guys. We're having Five Guys. So I have the bacon and cheese burger, Cajun fries, and Coke. Ay.
Take that one. She's happy with this one anyway, so. Oh, man. Yeah. Thank you, baby. Thank you, my mom.
It's actually really good than compared to
I
In-N-Out.
prefer this one than In-N-Out. What about you, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah. Five Guys is much better.
The-
Obviously, when I first tried it, I never tried it before, and I tried it, I was like, oh, it's not really. Oh, Chick-fil-A better.
Because you told me earlier that it's like In-N-Out.
It's like
right?
In-N-Out, but this is better. Better.
Oh, In-N-Out like just with the popular burger.
Because in the US, that's it.
Ano ka the password nila? White and red. White and red yung baba.
So we are done with lunch, guys. So maglalakad-lakad lang kami para magpababa ng kinain kasi it's so cold. Char.
Probably down this one.
Ang lamig. Siguro nakailang beses na akong narinig sa ano ko sa mga videos ko na lamig. Ba't ganun ngumiti si Ate Chay? Oh. Nakangisi. Ay, oh, may ride na naman, oh. Grabe naman itong lamig. Charot. Charot.
Are you the French for Beverly?
Bonjour. Walking tour. Walking tour.
In the high street. And,
How about the low street?
That's a good one. We have High Street and Low
Ang
Street.
lamig. Hi guys, we are back at our Airbnb now. And it's 5:30 p.m. So ngayon, ayusin ko lang yung mga damit ko kasi we are leaving tomorrow to go back to London. And maaga kaming aalis since it's gonna be a long drive. Kaya maaga na din kaming umuwi today. But yeah, I think that's it for my vlog today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello guys, good morning. It's currently 4 a.m. and ito, kakape lang ako because we are checking out today and maaga kaming aalis dito because our biyahe will be around 8 hours. So maaga kaming mag-check out and that's why gumising ako ng maaga para makapagpatake ng aking favorite, the short bread. Pero yun. Let's have some coffee guys. Nakapag-pack naman ako kagabi. So, konti na lang yung need kong ligpitin. Favorite. Kapag pumunta kayo ng Scotland or ng UK, buy the short. So, hey guys, so it's currently 5:30 a.m. and we are all ready. Ako naka-ayos na ako and naka-pack na din ako. And here's my outfit. Yan. Tanin. So yun na, ready na yung aking mga luggage. And ayun, magja-jacket pa naman ako. But yeah, I'm quite sad though because ganda dito sa Scotland. Ay, hopefully one day I can go back and stay longer. But yeah, let's go na guys because it's gonna be another 8-hour drive. And syempre, pa London. So 8-hour drive pa London. Pero syempre mag-stop over pa naman kami. So mga 9 or 10 hours siguro abutin yung biyahe namin. And then, dediretso na ako mag-check-in doon sa hotel. Which is malapit lang naman doon sa bahay ng friend ko. But yeah, let's go! Hi guys! So we have a quick stopover for a pee break. Sana nakikita yung usok sa ano ko?
Sa kamay, di ba?
Bale ano na lang, 3 hours away na lang kami. Pero yung nakalagay dun sa ano niya, sa maps. Ang bilis nga eh, parang bilis ng biyahe. Hello! Pero yun, just a quick stop for a pee break. And it's still very cold. Uy.
We're somewhere near Manchester.
Yeah. Near Manchester na lang.
Manchester, yeah.
How about we Manchester? So here, lamig. It's very, very cold. Ha? Ay! Naiwan nyo doon? Ano yun, di ba? Nasa may...
Sa meter, di ba?
Oo. Wala, yung kakabili nyo lang yun, di ba?
Oo, nandun. Baka nandun.
Pa DHL na lang.
Mas mahal pa ba?
That means you have to come back. Ipatago mo dun sa may tabi.
You go back to that one.
Okay. So I'm gonna try steak bake, courtesy of my generous friend. Na ano daw to? It represents you.
Hindi masyado mainit.
Ay ano siya? Flaky pala. Parang curry man. Pero ano?
Beef version.
Eh hindi. Parang beef ito nga eh. Yung lasa niya.
Ito na.
Di ba? Pero, just mura lang, no? Parang 2 pounds something lang.
245.
No.
Huh?
This is my third coffee na. Third coffee for the day.
And it's not even 12 o'clock. Charot.
Hi guys! So I'm here in London now and nandito na ako sa aking hotel. And this hotel that I'm staying at is quite nearby from my friend's place or from my friend's home. So I opted to stay at a hotel kaysa tumira sa kanila or makistay sa kanila because syempre nahiya pa din naman ako dun sa partner ng friend ko. Although they did offer for me to stay at their place, pero kahit yung partner ng friend ko, pero syempre nahiya talaga ako. So ayun, nagstay na lang ako dito sa hotel na malapit sa kanila. So let me tour you around guys sa hotel. It's quite a small room actually, pero let me tour you around. So this is the entrance guys. So nandyan lang yung aking maleta. And then that's the AC. So pagpasok mo sa entrance, ayun na yun. So this is my bathroom. And then meron lang full body mirror here. And then ito, merong initan ng tubig, tsaka mga coffee, ganyan. Hair dryer. And then this is my bed. So, small room lang, but it's enough for one. It's enough for me. Tapos may malaking TV actually. And then, here's my view. So, ayan. Kita niyo ba? Banat na yan. Yan ang aking view. Wait. May mga kainan dyan sa baba. But so yun, it's currently 4 PM pa lang. Pero di ba ang dilim na. So wala na, hindi na kami obviously hindi na kami makakagala kasi bumalik na rin yung friend ko sa bahay nila and everyone is tired sa biyahe. So ngayon lalabas lang ulit ako to buy some food kasi hindi pa kami talaga nag-lunch. Kumbaga yung kinain namin kanina nung stopover, yun na yung pinaka-lunch and breakfast namin. So I'm really, really hungry. So I'm gonna go out to eat or buy food actually. To take away na lang ako. But yun, let's go guys. I'm not sure though if I'm gonna film below kasi sinabihan din ako ni Sean na wag daw maglabas ng phone sa labas, obviously. Because dito sa UK, medyo uso or rampant yung snatching ng phone. Mga snatcher. So medyo scary. But yeah, let's go out, guys. This is my dinner, guys. It's a Chinese fast food restaurant. Ang pangalan is ayan, Chopsticks. So nag-order lang ako ng parang 3 side dishes with rice tapos Coke Zero lang. So hungry. And buti nga naglakad-lakad ako because yung mga malapit dito sa hotel ko puro mga fast food, like mga burger fast food like McDonald's, ganyan, Burger King. So it's a good thing naglakad-lakad ako at nakita ko to. Shit guys, grabe, sobrang gutom ko na. So let's have a taste. Di ko alam yung mga pinagkukuha ko. Okay naman. Maganda lang is madami siyang rice. Medyo maalat yung kanin. Masarap. Ma'am. Sarap naman siya for me. Especially if you're really hungry. Hey guys! So, ito, tapos na rin akong maligo and I'm ready to have a rest. And it's currently 6:30 PM. So, it's still too early but it's alright kasi sobrang pagod ko rin sa biyahe kanina. And, ano pa ba? I'm just gonna end my vlog for today and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night guys.